Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to clean out trashed, orphaned, and unused software packages on Ubuntu. Leftover dependencies from uninstalled apps clutter your storage and sit in background caches, but purging these orphaned packages sweeps away system clutter instantly. First, open your terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T simultaneously on your keyboard. Type the following command to automatically detect and delete any redundant dependency packages that are no longer tied to active software. Sudo apt autoremove -- purge. Input your system password when prompted and press Enter to validate the execution rule. Review the layout summary tracking which leftover files will be discarded, type the letter Y, and hit Enter again to confirm the cleanup. Next, type this command to wipe clean the local repository cache directory of downloaded package files that are completely outdated. Sudo apt autoclean. Hit Enter and the Package Manager framework will immediately discard the trashed package archives from your local storage drives. Finally, type the refresh rule command to synchronize your package index data completely. Sudo apt update. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.